Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the Bamboo Beauty stamp set along with the Celebrate Everything Host Designer Series paper. Okay, I told you guys that I had another idea using this paper for a fall card, so that's what we're going to be making today. But before we get to our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we're going to start with our Ho 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 October Paper Pumpkin Kit. It makes 9 cards with 3 different designs, 3 of each design. And it coordinates with the November Paper Pumpkin Kit. And there will also be an add-on that you can purchase. I think they're going to be like little bags. So there's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin Kit because you don't want to miss out on all this Christmas goodness that's coming up. Next, we have our Perfect Partners promotion that is new dies to match current stamp sets in the annual catalog and the mini catalog. And those dies are Apple Blossom dies, Fresh Cut Stem dies, the Playful Piggy dies, Tree Trimming dies, Waterfall dies, and the Yeti dies. Okay. Next up, we have our World Card Making Day promotion, whereas if you buy the Cottage Rose bundle, the Cottage Wreaths bundle, and the Warm Welcome bundle, buy either one of those. You don't have to buy all 3, just buy either one of them, and Stampin' Up! Is going to throw in a free package of the Iridescent Pearl Basic Jewels, okay? And if you have to do that before October 1st, or it says by October 1st, okay? So don't miss out on that if you're going to purchase one of those bundles. Lastly, we have our September host code. This is the code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more. Do not use this host code because you will qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that. So let's go ahead and get started with our project because that is all of the buzzworthy business. So we have a card base here of Granny Apple Green, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Burnish that with your bone folder. We're going to go ahead and get the inside of our card done. Again, we're using this paper. We have it at 5 1/4 by 4. And we have some basic white at 3.5 by 4 3/4. And then another piece of this same paper, just the opposite side, we're going to be using at 3 1/4 by 3.5. So we're just gonna put this down the side here of our cardstock. And I say 3.5 by 3.5 because we're gonna cut it down to 3.5. It's right now it's at 4 inches because that's what that was. It was 4 by 6. Because you know I cut all my 12 by 12 down to 4 by 6. And we use it from there. So we just cut that off. And we're going to go ahead and stamp our inside sentiment, which is a true friend is one who holds your heart, holds your hand and touches your heart. I like that. So we're going to put this right here. Ooh, that's a juicy stamp ink pad. And that is all the inside needs for stamping. We're going to put this on our designer series paper, just like that. And then we're going to stick this on the inside. I love both sides of this paper. Even the green is like really nothing fancy. I like it because it can go for anything. You can make it a grassy heel. You cut it, you know, make a heel. Okay, so that's the inside done. So now we have some another piece of, oh, let me close this ink before I make a mess. Another piece of basic white that is 4 by 4 3/4 by 3.5, and we're going to emboss this. So let's get out our Stampin' and Cut and Emboss machine and our plates 1 and 4. And we're going to use the Time Worn Type 3D embossing folder. Okay, let me get this out. Get our paper. And we're just going to put this in Wait, how am I doing this? No. Because this card is going this way. So make sure you're putting your paper in your folder the right way, because this does have words on it. I can't read what it says, but it does have words on it. So you want your words going the right way. I'm just going to run that through. Okay, get that out of there. Now that's done, and we're going to go ahead and adhere this to its layer of basic black, which is, I think I did it 1/8 of an inch. Larger. Yes, I did. Sometimes when you emboss your paper, it shrinks a bit. That's what it looks like happened here. Okay, then we have some designer series paper. This is 2 inches by 4 3/4. Well, the I think the basic black is, and this is 1/8 of an inch smaller than that. So we're going to glue this down to its layer. Try to get this even. For some reason my eyes are bothering me, like I don't have enough light or something. And I have 2 lamps on. Well, actually 3. There's no sunshine coming through my window, even though I have the blinds open, but there's nothing coming through. We're going to sit this right here in the middle, going across the middle. Let me see. So it goes this way. I'm looking at the words to make sure I don't have it upside down. Then we're going to just place this on our card front. Making sure nothing's upside down. Put that there. This is so cute already. Okay. So now we have some work to do with some blending brushes. So I have my grit paper here, and I have a leaf from the Leaf Label and Amber Gem combo pack. Go ahead and get these gems out because we're going to use that. So I have some shaded spruce here again, and we're going to blend on some of this shaded spruce towards the bottom of our leaf. Okay, I believe that's enough of that color. Then we have some Poppy Parade, and we're going to use a different blending brush. I don't have one for every color. I have like for reds, oranges and yellows, purples and pinks, blues and greens. So we're just gonna sponge this on here. Try to make it match the designer series paper a little bit. Okay, I think that's it. And I did another one earlier, so we have 2 of them. And I forgot I needed this ink still. And I am going to stamp on this one, our outside greeting, that says, "Grateful for all that you do." And I am hoping that I get this on here correctly. There's a glare and I can't see. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and glue this onto our card. Do I want this glued down? I think I want a dimensional at the top because it's going to be hanging over. So we'll go ahead and put a dimensional on this part and glue, whoops, down at the bottom. I'm going to put it like that. Then this one is going to be up on dimensionals. And I purposely left that, there's a little, I'll show you when I flip it back over. There is a circle here. I did not want that to come out because I wanted it to stay covered up. I didn't want to hold in this particular leaf. Man, I smudged it. I smudged it. Okay, we're going to put that there. Then I have some baker's twine from the Essential Pack. And we're going to do another double bow like we did on that last card using this designer series paper. Okay, I think that's small enough. And that's way too long. So we're going to stick that right into that dimensional that's behind there. Okay, now all we have to do is add our gems. So I'm going to get my take your pick tool. And I unlocked it instead of taking the thing off. Okay. So let's put some gems on this card. So I'm going to put some up here, like so, like that. And another big one right down here. Okay. And I have one more step. I need to stamp my card because I'm doing this now on video because I always forget to go back and stamp the back of my cards. So I'm trying to do it when I'm making the cards. It makes it a lot easier for me. Okay, and that is it. Look at our card. It is super cute. I wish I hadn't smudged the greetings, but it's still, you can still read it and it still looks cute. I like it. Okay, you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.